Good morning student, as we are doing unit 2, in that we started answer the following question from poem part. Poem is geography lesson. Okay, so in our previous period we completed up to question 2 and answer is also completed. So now we are moving on further, we are going to start question 3. So before I start writing, you people also be ready with your notebook and now start writing with me. So as we are doing answer the following question from the poem. So in this question 3, now you people start writing with me which of the following statements are examples of the logic of geography. So now some statements, some examples, that statements are given and we have to find it out that which are the statements are the examples of the logic of geography. So first write down all. There are cities where there are rivers. Then after, cities appear as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. Then next one, it is easy to understand why valleys are populated and the last, no not last, fourth one, it is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill one another. Then after, Next one. The earth is round. The earth is round and it has more sea than land. So these are all the statements are given. Okay, so what is our question? Our question is that which of the following statements are example of the logic of geography? As you people are familiar with the subject geography, yes or no? And in geography you learn about that, means we learn about that earth is round, yes. Then from the total area of the earth, approx 70% is full of sea, full of that water area, and near about the 30% all the peoples, all means we creatures are living. So these points are we are going to learn in our geography. Okay, so whatever the statements are given, so from that all statements, which are the examples of the logic of geography, which are related with the geography part. So in this first one is there are cities where there are rivers. Cities appear as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. It is easy to understand why valleys are populated. It is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill one another. The earth is round and it has more sea than land. So these points are given. Now which are the examples of the logic of geography? So now write down answer. In short, our question is that all the points are given, all these statements are given, and we have to find it out the statement which shows the geographical relation. Okay, that what we learn in our geography, which are the things which are related with the geography part. Okay, so now write down answer. So which points? First one, there are cities. There are cities where there are rivers. About all the rivers and about the population we learn in geography, yes or no? So there are cities where there are rivers. Then third point, it is according to the answer we are going to write down the here points number. Okay, as we having 5 points, so in from that 5 which points? So first point is our answer, then in question the third point is our answer. So that's why I have written here 3. Okay, I am not writing here 2. Clear? We writing here number according to the points which are given in our question part. It is easy to understand. It is easy to understand why valleys are populated. So in the poem the point is clearly given that why valleys are populated. Then and from all the points given, see fifth point, the earth is round and it has more sea than land. So fifth point that shows the logic of geography. So that's why I am writing here fifth one. The earth is round and it has more sea than land. Clear? So these points are showing the logic of geography. Whatever the 5 points we having in our question part, from that we have to find it out that which statement show the example of the logic of geography. So first point which is given in our question, third point which is given in our question, and the fifth point which is given in question, that shows that are the examples of the logic of geography. So that's why I am writing here 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now next one, write down next question. Question 4. Mention two things that are first in this, clear from the height. So now what we have to do, we have to mention two things which shows or explain, we can say clear from the height. So which two things are clear from the height? So write down. It is clear from the height that a valleys are populated and the B, the earth is round. Okay, so these two things are given in our poem, that it is clear from the height that valleys are populated and the earth is round. So what we have to do, we have to mention, we have to write down two things which are clear from the height. Okay, then after second question in the same question 4, write down second one. Now second one is, it is not clear from the from the height why humans. Okay, so now what the two things are not clear from the height, why humans? So now write down answer. So it is not clear from the height why humans first point build walls across the cities B. Hate and kill one another. So these two things are not clear from the height, that why cities that build walls across the cities, why humans built walls across the cities, okay, and hate and kill one another. So as we read it the poem, and in that it is given in the way that means why there are so much differentiation between the people, why they are having means always they are dividing each other in the name of the caste, in the name of the religions, okay, why means they are doing this. If we all are living on the same earth, then why we all are not living as one, why we divided ourselves and why we create walls, why we hate each other, why we kill each other in that manner, okay. So it is not clear. So from that height it is not clear that why humans build walls across the cities, hate and kill one another. So we have to write down two points for the first one, that it is clear from the height, and the second question that in the same question 4, that why it is not clear from the height why humans, okay. So we have to write down two points for the statement. Now here our poem portion from the textbook part is complete, okay. So now we are going to start workbook part of the unit 2, okay. So if you people having your workbook with you, then open it and be ready with the notebook also. So now we are going to start unit 2 from workbook, as our textbook portion is complete just now. So now we are going to start unit 2 from workbook, okay. So now unit 2, give heading in your notebook, unit 2 from workbook in that worksheet 2, okay. So write down here workbook, as textbook portion is just now completed. So now we are going to start unit 2 from workbook, okay. So firstly you people just pay attention in your workbook. In that first question is given, read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow, okay. So what that paragraph portion is given and some questions are based on that particular paragraph. So this paragraph is already we read it when the chapter is going on. Yes, so now just you pay attention in your workbook. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachol. Okay, his wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. So what happened? We already read it this portion when the chapter is going on. So in this Ignatius, that person name was the manager of the cooperative society in Kachol. Okay, and his wife woke him up at 6 a.m. at that day because she felt an earthquake. So Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground. It means in that situation when the earthquake his wife saw, means or felt like that this is the situation of an earthquake, at that time also what the first thing comes in his mind, in mind of Ignatius, that he first took care of his television. The television set of its table, he took it and off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Means they are not worried about their self, but firstly they are worried about the television set. Okay, and then what the family do? Family rushed out of the house. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising in the chaos and confusion. Now what they saw, that the sea rising, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. So yes, means when we see such a situation, and earlier we have not seen that such type of thing. Okay, so that thing is quite feared, and what happened, the two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and they rushed in the opposite direction. Means they started run now from that direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. So now what happened in that? His wife was swept away in that as the sea rising. Only the three other children who came with were saved. Only the three children is saved and the rest are swept away with that water. Okay, so now some questions are given on the based of these on this paragraph. So first write down, read the passage, given below and answer read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Okay, so now we are not going to write down that paragraph. We having this paragraph in our workbook. Okay, so now question 1, who was Ignatius? Who was Ignatius? So write down answer. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachol. Then after question 2, who woke him up and why? So answer is it is clearly given in the paragraph that who woke him up and what was the reason behind that. So write down answer 2. His wife woke him up because she felt an earthquake. She felt an earthquake. Then question 3. Write down what did Ignatius do with his television. So what he do with his television? Okay, so write down answer Ignatius so question 3 is what did Ignatius do with his television? So what he do? He took that television and put it to the table. Okay. So student, in this period up to this much, in our next period we are starting from the answer 3. Okay. So now in this period up to this much, whatever we just now completed, just revise once again. Now further will be continue in our next period. Thank you. Goodbye.